Video begins with a stunning shot of a futuristic healthy food platter on a sleek white table. The food is vibrant and artfully arranged. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what our dinner plates will look like in the near future? Not in some distant sci-fi movie, but in just a few years, say 2025. Well, get ready, because today we're taking a delicious dive into the future of food. What you're looking at isn't just a meal. It's a revolution on a plate. Cut to a close-up of a colorful plant-based dish, then to a lab-grown meat alternative being sliced. First, let's talk about the stars of the show, the food itself. The future is overwhelmingly plant-based, and for good reason. We're seeing an explosion of creativity with vegetables, grains, and legumes, making them more delicious and satisfying than ever before. Think vibrant beet carpaccio, spirulina-infused pasta, and protein-packed lentil steaks that are both hearty and healthy. And for those who still crave the texture and taste of meat, science has an incredible answer. Lab-grown or cultivated meat. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's real meat, grown from animal cells, without the need to raise and farm animals. This process drastically reduces the environmental footprint. We're talking less land, less water, and fewer greenhouse gas emissions. It's the ultimate win-win. You get the taste you love, and the planet gets a break. Camera pans over smart nutrition labels on the packaging and plates. Now, how do we know what we're eating? Say goodbye to confusing nutritional labels. In the future, information is instant and personalized. See these smart labels? With a simple scan from your phone or smart device, you can see a complete breakdown of every single ingredient. It'll show you the exact vitamin and mineral content, where the ingredients were sourced, and even its carbon footprint. Imagine your plate telling you exactly how it's helping you meet your personal health goals for the day. This is a level of transparency that empowers us to make truly informed choices about our health and our impact on the world. Showcases eco-friendly packaging made from mushroom or seaweed-based materials. But the innovation doesn't stop with the food. How it gets to us is just as important. We're finally moving past single-use plastics. The packaging of the future is as smart as the food inside it. We're talking about materials made from mushrooms, seaweed, or cornstarch that are completely biodegradable and compostable. Some packages might even be edible. This shift is crucial for tackling our planet's plastic problem and building a truly circular economy where waste is designed out of the system from the very beginning. Scene shifts to a minimalist style shot, a top-down view of a similar meal on a clean marble table. What I love most is how this all comes together with a sense of beautiful simplicity. The future of wellness isn't about complexity, it's about clarity and intentionality. This minimalist approach strips away the noise and focuses on what truly matters. Nutrient-dense, high-quality ingredients that nourish our bodies and delight our senses. The clean lines, the natural colors, the soft lighting, it all creates a calming, mindful eating experience. It's a reminder that eating well is a form of self-care. It asks about taking a moment to appreciate the beauty and a craft that went into your meal. Transition to a more sci-fi vibe. Glowing plates and subtle holographic displays showing nutritional data in a sleek kitchen. Now let's dial up the future knob a bit. Imagine your kitchen as your personal health hub. Glowing smart plates that can analyze the food placed on them, giving you real-time feedback. AI meal assistants, projected as holograms, suggesting recipes based on the ingredients you have and your specific dietary needs. This isn't about making our lives more complicated with technology. It's about using technology to make healthy living effortless and intuitive. These smart kitchen tools will act as our personal nutritionists, guiding us toward better choices every single day. Return to the original, beautifully lit main shot of the food platter. So, what does this all mean for us? It means a future where our food is healthier, more sustainable, and more transparent. It is a future where we don't have to choose between what is good for us and what is good for the planet. The vibrant colors on this plate represent more than just different vegetables. They represent diversity, innovation, and hope. Hope for a food system that can feed a growing population without depleting our natural resources. This isn't just a dream. These technologies and ideas are being developed right now by passionate scientists, chefs, and innovators around the globe. From vertical farms in urban centers to cellular agriculture labs, people are working tirelessly to build this better food future. And the best part is, we can all be a part of it. By choosing more plant-based meals, supporting brands that use sustainable packaging, and staying curious about new food technologies, we are voting with our forks for the future we want to see. It's an exciting time to be a food lover. The next few years will completely redefine our relationship with what we eat. The plate of 2025 is a testament to human ingenuity and our growing commitment to a healthier self and a healthier planet. It's delicious, it's intelligent, and it's right around the corner. Thank you so much for joining me on this glimpse into the future. What are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content about the amazing world of tomorrow. See you in the next one.